Okay, now we are going to discuss about exchange rate with ACM, or Advanced Currency Management. So what can we do with the ACM? So with the Advanced Currency Management, we can determine the dated exchange rate. So we can define, as of this date, the exchange rate between US dollar to euro is this much, so that you can accurately convert the currency conversion based on the date of the record, or of, for this example, the opportunity. So this conversion happens globally, meaning it doesn't see the date of the opportunity. It's just August 21st, 2020, and the exchange is always 1-to-1 because we have set it up like that. But we can change it so that on this date, right, the currency exchange is different. So you can use any third-party data to get historical. I'm just googling this one and I came across this one. So Oanda, just Google historical exchange rates. So you have all this date here, right? I was defaulted to this, but then click on this and you can get this data, right? So the currency exchange is fluctuating, as you know, of course, every day. So this is more accurate rather than just defining it's 1.15 for August. Well, it's not really, it's just up and down, right? So if you want to be really accurate, depends on how your management is concerned about currency exchange. You can feed such data into Salesforce Advanced Currency Management. So if the close date of the opportunity is August 19th, it's 1.19, right? If it's today, it's actually 1.18, right? So it's like that. So let me let's feed like the top 5 here, or not just 3, it's too much time. Let's just feed 2, 20 and 19th, right? 1.19 and 1.18. Okay, so before we do that, I'm going to go back to our setup here and then type in currency management, currency manage currencies, not currency, it's currencies. All right, so advanced currency management is not enabled, so let's enable this one. Yes, I want to enable advanced currency management. Now we have enabled that. Now you can manage dated exchange rates. Okay, don't show this page again. Continue. Now let's make a new exchange rate. Okay, new exchange rates. For what time? Let's do for today. Oh, today is 21. Okay, let's do the 19th. Okay, so for the 19th of August, I want to use the accurate one, which is 1.190. Oops, I can copy. Come on, I was just copying that. It pops up. They want me to pay for everything. Amazing. Okay, 1.19. Save that. I think it's the other way around. I think that's wrong. Wait, what? Here, they flip me to classic for some reason. Maybe they don't have this in Lightning. 1 US dollar is 1.19 euro. That is wrong, right? It's the other way around. 1 euro is 1.19 US dollar. So we would want to flip this to US dollar, and this would be euro. There. So on August 20, it's 0.84. Okay. Back here, it's 0.84. So 1 US dollar equals 0.84 euro. This is for the 19th, okay? All right. So now I'm going to make a new one. I'm going to hit back here again. New exchange rate. I don't know why they flipped me back to classic. That looks ugly. So for the 20th, I'm going to change this to the 20th. The 20th is 0.84. Okay. 0.84 for the 20th. If I go back here, is it the same? Oh, so for the 19th, 0.83. Right, for the 19th here, 0.83 for the 20th. And for today, let's 0.85. So I'm going to make a new one again here. New exchange rate. For today, let's make it 0.85 and save. So now we have euro exchange rate for the 20th, it's 0.84. For the 90th, 0.83, and so on, right? So now if you say, well, do you want to do this all day long? What if you want to enter the whole year worth of historical? Well, you have to find some tools to do that. Well, that's another discussion, but this is just an example on how advanced currency management in Salesforce works, okay? So let's switch to Lightning. I don't like this look. It's so old, right? Is it? Okay, we're back to there. I'm just gonna close this guy and close this as well. We're back here, right? Now the point is, so we've updated the exchange rate. Now if we just change the opportunity here, if I edit this opportunity and change the close date to the 19th, we will have a different exchange rate. If I have save, boom. So 10,000 euro is 12,048.19 US dollar. But if I change this again, you would already know it will change. If I close this on the 20th, different, 11,904.76, right? And if we close this on today, the 21st, different, 11,764.71 US dollars. So that's how the currency, advanced currency management in Salesforce works. Pretty straightforward, but remember, do that on your own so you know how it's being inputted and how the date range works, so you know, and it's printed in your mind, you know how it works. So when it comes up in the exam, you will know it, even if your org will never use advanced currency management. The question will come up in the exam. All right, let's just verify this, and I'll see you on the next video, which will be customize the home page. That would be easy. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, they actually checked it. So we want to check, we want to make sure we put 1.13 there, okay? 1.13 for the first day of next month. I didn't think they checked that, but to complete the challenge, you will actually need to put exactly what they need. Alright, so new exchange rate, start date of the beginning of next month, right? So September 1st. Boom. I'll see you on the next video. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.